Up the Rungan River are the pre-release islands, a semi-wild testing ground where the students put everything they've learned at jungle school into practice. All the orphaned graduates transition to being much more independent here, but the friendships they've formed during their education still play an important role. The island guardians, or Teknisi, regularly call in to deliver supplemental food and observe the orangutans' progress. After recent rain, only a fraction of the feeding platform here is above the water. 13-year-old male Uje is the first to respond to the familiar breakfast calls. But between him and the food he craves is the flooded river. And the trees are a long way apart. Twelve-year-old female Ayu arrives. What is about to unfold is a demonstration of how a 10-year friendship, where each know the other's strengths, can translate into survival. Ayu is the boldest and tries the direct route. The water is deep and flowing fast. Ayu can't swim, but she knows how to resist the treacherous current. Still, she can't quite reach the platform. Uje can see how risky this is. She could drown. Time for a rethink. The jungle school forest can be a bit like the big wide world. Not everyone you meet is going to be your best buddy, and there's sometimes painful lessons to be learnt. Today, it's mix and mingle, where the juniors and seniors practice their social etiquette. Yutris finds a different kind of distraction. This curious little guy is one of the gentlest in his group. He really wouldn't hurt a fly. Senior student Jumbo barges into his quiet time. That's a bit rough. Yutris's track record with his older classmates isn't the best. When he tried to hang out with 6-year-old Chinta, she used him as target practice. And when he tried to befriend 5-year-old Junior, the older student aggressively attacked him. Could Jumbo finally be the one? Nope. Friendship officially over. That's not a place anyone wants to be bitten. Valentino can only imagine his pain. Valentino comes in to support his best bud in his hour of need. But Yutris just wants to be alone. Seven-year-old Moja often mothers the younger orphans, whether they like it or not. Learning to navigate difficult personalities is a skill little Yutris would have learnt from his mum. In this special school, he'll have many more chances to get it right. And even a painful experience like this has taught him to steer clear of bullies. After a commotion like that, coconut time usually settles everyone down. Four-year-old Yoko is a master cracker. His excellent technique draws an eager spectator. Big boy Benny is an independent soul who prefers food over friends. He's the same age as Yoko, but 3 times heavier. So he's been put on an emergency diet. Who's that handsome devil? Benny usually relies on his babysitter to open his coconuts. Maybe today he'll actually try it himself. Yoko, showing off to classmate Tomung, is first to access the sweet milk. Benny's having trouble cracking his, so he has an idea. Nine-year-old Rinto appears to police this coconut conflict. She decides Benny should have no coconut at all. Nope, not getting this one either. All that's left is salad. It's not fair. Rinto didn't take Yoko's coconut. With a surprising burst of energy, Benny tries one last-ditch effort. The commotion attracts the attention of another bully, female Reren, who comes in swinging. Things are starting to get out of hand. A delivery of more coconuts ends the brawl. But Benny misses out. Next time, maybe Benny should choose friends over food.
Hey Love Nature fans! Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.